Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how to stamp both pieces of your cake at one time so that you can punch them out just once with your cake builder punch. It's a quick and easy tip using a mask. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. The first thing you're going to want to have is a scrap piece of cardstock and your punch. And I'm going to open this up and simply slide my punch onto my cardstock and punch out the two pieces. And I can set the punch aside. Now at this point I've created this mask. It matches the punch exactly. So I can take my cake piece that I would like, and I'm going to set this in this hole upside down. And then the cake stand I'm going to do the same thing with. You're going to set those in the mask so that they fit in there nice and snug and you don't see any excess cardstock. And then you're going to take your block and you're simply going to kiss it to the stamps. At this point you can flip it over and you can double check here to make sure that you have it exactly the way you want it by laying your mask over. And if not, you can repeat. Now that I have my stamps mounted on my clear block, I can set this aside and show you how we stamp with it. Okay, I'm going to be using my Memento ink for this, and I'm going to ink it up and stamp 1, 2, 3 since it's photopolymer. It helps that ink seep in. And then I can just put this into my punch, and as you can see, it lines it up lovely, and punch. And I've got my two pieces ready to go for my project. That's it. It's that quick and easy to use your punch to create a mask so that you can put your stamps onto one block. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. And if you don't already have a demonstrator and would like a new 2019 Occasions catalog, email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll be happy to mail you one. Thanks for joining me.